What's up, guys? Tim from Olsen Motorsports. Today I want to show you our 2021 Ford F-150 Raptor Olsen spec. So a really awesome story. I ordered this truck almost a year ago, early June. It went on a chip hold, all the stuff, and then it came in late January. And my birthday was just a couple of weeks ago, the third week in March, and my staff surprised me with a finished truck. It showed up last Friday. It was unbelievable. I had nothing to do with any of this except for interior color selection. They did everything else. They ordered all the parts, they designed everything, they sourced everything, and they knocked it out the park. So what they did here is Wheels Boutique came to the table with the HRE P161s. It's in a 22 by 11 on a true 37 tire. So it's a 37 by 13.5 inch tire. They did that to the outside. And then my favorite part of it is these graphics. So the factory Raptor graphics was the Baja design terrain theme that came up and it ended at the door. And my guys back at the store in Chicago, they were like, well, it looks like it needs to have something moving forward. So they completely redesigned all of the graphics on this truck. I don't know if you can catch it on camera, but it looks super cool because it's actually green, like an actual topographical map. So it's green, it fades to black, and then it goes back to clear, and then it goes back to green, and it really, really sets it apart, in my opinion. All right, so let's check out this interior. It's incredible. Door panels. They redid the door panels, the tops and bottoms of the door panels, the tops of the dashboard here, and these seats are incredible. So these are the factory Recaro seats. They added some bolster here, a little bit of MDF, medium density foam here, to keep a little bit more support. Redid the bolster here, put the stripes in, center console. The shifter is unbelievable. So they actually redid the entire shifter. We're gonna jump in, go for a ride, and I'll walk you through it. So the new Raptor has the big 12-inch screen. I think it's 12 or 13-inch screen, and then it's got the digital display up here. The other thing that the guys did was the steering wheel. So the factory Raptor had the orange stripe in the center. They changed that, so it still has leather on the top, leather on the bottom, and then they got rid of the orange stripe here with the blue suede to match the center stripe on the seat, and then the blue suede here is on the side. And this shifter is unbelievable. This thing has great power. It's the same exact motor that the old Raptor had, but it's got about 20 more foot-pounds of torque, and the exhaust note is far superior to the old Raptor. It sounds like the old Raptor with like a Borla S package on it. Same boost level, same horsepower levels. I think it's just like 20 foot-pounds more of torque, but everything about it is far superior. Nice carbon inside. It's way more refined than the last truck. Is it better than a TRX? The TRX has a better motor. Ford has better refined vehicles. One cool thing here, the end of this road is the entrance to the Everglades, but we can't go down because I promised my wife that this Raptor was just for Starbucks. So instead of going in here, right there, we're gonna turn around and stay on the pavement. Project Mall Crawler cannot get dirty. But no, this thing's awesome. So that's 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. It's awesome. And then you hit the brakes and the truck doesn't dive, it doesn't pitch and roll around like the old ones do. And then the other thing that the guys did was they used JL audio, because I'm a big audio guy. So the whole truck is JL audio C7s. So there's tweeters up here to replace the factory ones, and then there's component speakers in the door. 2 amps in the back, 2 12s in the back, and then there's C7 components back there. And every time, shout out to Sean at Ray's Electronics, every time they do a stereo for us, they completely go above and beyond the last project. And this thing sounds unbelievable. It's probably the best, hands down, it is the best stereo I've ever had in any of my cars. So I owe them a ton. Those guys knock it out of the park every time. So hope you guys like it. I hope you guys like the interior and all the tasteful modifications that the guys did. And hopefully they knocked Project Mallcrawler out of the park, because I love it. It was the best birthday present ever. I'm so blessed to have. Our guys are the best in the business, and I'm so blessed to have them. Thanks for watching.